How do I use sub-process tool in eFlow Designer? I use sub-process tool in order to trigger a sub-process while running my main process. So I just drag and drop this sub-process tool, and from action button I will go to sub-process. But so often I use here calculate tool to set a status. Let's set a status in order to give information to the users that this process at this step is going to a sub process. Alright, we set the status. Now we go to the sub process. So I double click to the sub process and I see the list of the processes that I am able to trigger. And these are the processes that I already have at my process explorer. Let's choose London Bridge project. And at this step now, I will have to match the data element that I use in the main process with the tools of the sub process. For example, we match the status of the main process with the sub process status. Priority the same, requester with initiatory here, date of request with request date or request number the same, or I don't know, the comments with here I use memo, like this. So from the sub process, if I want to end the process here, I will have to wait first the sub process to be terminated to end, then I can end this main process. And actually, so often here we use a decision tool at this step, and we use some functions. For example, we say if the status is approved. I don't know, just an example. So status equals approved, the description. If the status is approved, we can end the process. If not, I go back to my task form. This is the way and the situations that I use my sub-process tool in eFlow Designer.